Imagine a world where your dinner is printed, insects are a delicacy, and lab-grown meat replaces farms. Welcome to the future of food. In 2050, with over 9 billion people on Earth, food will not just be about taste. It will be about survival, sustainability, and technology. So what will we eat in 2050? Let's dive into the future. Say goodbye to traditional farms. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, is already being developed today. By 2050, it could be the main source of protein, ethical, eco-friendly, and just as tasty. No more deforestation for cattle, no greenhouse gases, just pure meat grown from cells. Would you eat a burger made in a lab? Let us know in the comments. Insects might sound gross today, but they are packed with protein, vitamins, and essential minerals. Crickets, mealworms, and grasshoppers could become common ingredients in protein bars, snacks, and even gourmet dishes. In some countries, people already eat them. Will the whole world follow? Imagine pressing a button and having a pizza printed within minutes. Three-dimensional food printing is expected to revolutionize the way we eat. Custom flavors, nutrients, and even textures, all designed at the touch of a button. In the future, astronauts, busy workers, and even homes may rely on food printers. Seaweed and algae are not just for sushi anymore. They are nutrient-packed, grow quickly, and could replace crops that require too much land and water. Imagine algae-based smoothies, snacks, and even burgers. It might just become the world's healthiest trend. In 2050, AI will know exactly what your body needs. Personalized nutrition will track your health and recommend meals tailored to your genetics, activity level, and lifestyle. No more one-size-fits-all diets, just food made for you. The future of food is exciting, sustainable, and a little weird. From lab-grown meat to insect protein, three-dimensional printed meals to AI-powered nutrition. What are you most excited or scared about? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe to World Insights by Hareen, and stay tuned for more futuristic insights. See you in the next video.